Welcome back to the channel and the ZX9R project. So in this one I'm hoping to get the bike fully stripped down. Not got too much left to do, but I'm going to start by dropping the fluid, get rid of the brake fluid, get rid of the coolant, probably drop the oil, and then just remove everything else off the bike. And by the end of this episode we'll have the engine out of the frame. Right, desperate measures. This last engine bolt, which runs right through the back of the engine, is proving very difficult to get out. Managed to get the nut off pretty easy, but the bolt itself is not for moving. More than likely it's never been out in all its life. Sure, desperate times call for desperate measures. Oh, what a biatch this is proving to be. I've been heating it up, I got it as far as it'll go, and now I'm having to use the other bolt, which is wrecking the head, but if it means getting this out, then 2 new ones of them shouldn't be too expensive. I was using an extension bar, but it's just bending it. This is just taking the shock, I think, and not transferring it through to the bolt, whereas this one is working. And now I've got it so that it is actually in a little bit. Don't know if that comes across on camera. So I can now get the original bolt in there, which is nice. It's got a nice seat when I put it in like so there's nowhere for it to go now. So now it's just a case of smacking the hell out of it. Is that it? Is that it? Make sure I wasn't just bending that. Yeah! Mother trucker! Oh, and it was that end. It was that end that was seized. I thought it was this end, the sprocket side. But no, looking at that. Whew. Boom. One engine. Oh. Right, I'm probably going to make a wooden jig or something just to hold this, because it's not the most stable at the minute, but at least it's out. Happy days. Right, there we have it. Fully stripped out, engine's out, pretty much everything's taken off the frame. The only thing left to do is split the swing arm from the main frame and then get rid of some of these ancillary bits, and I can start reconditioning all this stuff. Right, thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.